Welcome to another episode of MSK Coding. The Python program that you see here is named Vowels.py. That's because it counts the number of vowels in any given string. We'll start with the first line here. S is input, insert string here. So it asks you, insert string here. You give the string, gets sent to S. In the second, third, and fourth lines, we set X, Y, and Z to all be 0. In the fifth line, we start the while loop. While y is less than or equal to len of s minus 1. What is that len of s minus 1 thing? So if you put in coding, that would be coding. 6 letters. Minus 1 is 5. So while 0 is less than 5, then run the whole while loop. Well, what's in the while loop? It's a lot of ifs. So the first if s of y is a. So if the first letter, remember, the first letter is at index 0. So if the first letter is a, then it adds 1 to the counter, which is x. Then it keeps going, scans every single letter, and it goes up by letter with this final y is y plus 1. So it scans through all of them, sees if they're a vowel. If it is, adds 1 to the counter. Then after everything is finished, it goes to line 17. Print number of vowels, 2 curly braces, format X. What's this format X? Well, the 2 curly braces and the format means that the curly braces will be formatted. So X would be put inside the curly braces, then the curly braces would be taken away. So it would show the number of vowels. Now, I should run some examples. I can put in MSK here, 0, because MSK doesn't have M, S, or K. None of them are vowels. But if I put coding, has 2 vowels, O and I. So it senses that as 2. Thanks for watching this video. One thing to note is that by the end of September 2019, I wish to have 50 subscribers, and at the time of this recording, I have 44. So please, if you would like this video, subscribe. I would be really happy if I could get to 50.